Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis, daily analysis for gold. Sorry, have been unable to do regular analysis. Right. So let's start from the Forex Factory on Monday, the 28th of July 2025, and there's no news on that day. So market purely is moving on technical basis. And going on to the monthly chart, we have multiple rejections in the month. So it's possible that market may come down, but we go in smaller time frame, that is weekly, and see what's happening here. In weekly, we can see there's a trend line here as well, but that is more clear in daily. I'll show you in a minute. And this is a weekly lows level. Possibly market can go around to this level, which is around 32.46, and this level. And if it breaks that level, we can see the next levels to the downside. And now going on to daily, see this is a trend line here, and if you look that clear slow carefully, that you see that that level has been broken, and what the market done after breaking it broke in. So this trend line is become more meaningful now, because we know that once the level is broken to the and now then a trend line is tested, it's more likely we possibly can see the move to the upside. And also you can see the multiple in daily 1, 2, 3, 4. The market have tried multiple times to break this level. It can't break. So combining with all the probabilities, we can take long-term trade from here as well, if the market doesn't go to the downside further. And this triangle shape, whichever side it breaks, we know this type of triangle, that if it break no in the direction of a trend which is bullish, can easily break to the upside. So processes are going to the upside, and rejection from the downside overall. And once this kind of triangle is broken, we have a very big move. However, we will not take immediate decisions. We'll go in smaller time frames to take the entries. And there is a fair value gap in daily as well. So possible the market can come down up to this level. Currently it's in 33, 38. It's almost 100 pips move to the upside. And this is a 4-hour chart, and in 4 hour you can see that this is the situation. And if the market moves to the goes back to the and break this trend line, and as you know that this was a fair value gap, and if we have probably 1 hour candle price action closing above this candle, and we already have 1 hour here, and if we can see good price action here, then it's possibly we can see if we can get the long-term trade from here. That's for the according to the analysis. So see what's going to happen. And previously what happened, as you can see that probably you have traded as well. The market had in 4 hour, this is the situation. Market tested this level here, and market came down with good price action. It was almost the highest top level. And the big daily candle as well as in 4 hour as well, you can see this price action is almost move of, yeah, is 1,000 pip, more than 1,000 pip move. That was a great trade if somebody's still holding it. I think they should come out of now from this trade. Right. So this is our trade here, sell to, and then we have another trade here. Market didn't respect much this level because it came from the top, so this movement expected. And if we can see different, see this moving average is showing as well that this move is going, the gold is going down. And if you use the moving average strategy, then you can, in 15 minutes, you can have multiple trades from here, then because market didn't, if you know, if you have knowledge of structure as well, and you can see the market didn't, this was level here, the market, we had a buy trade and then we have a sell trade here as well. So after that, the structure is broken and we have 15-minute confirmation as well in moving averages, RSI below the 50. So there are multiple trading opportunities. If you follow the direction of the trend, that's always the best, and you can always get good opportunities. Moving forward, we will look how the price action develops now at the current price of 33.37 roughly. So, and see how the market behaves. I almost every day I'll send screenshots and setups in my trading channel, which is a Telegram channel, and you can always follow that and keep up to date. Because it's always not possible to put a video every day. So I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.